Welcome to this video, guys. In this video we're going to learn about SwallowCopy and DeepCopy. So let's suppose say we want to copy one object to another object, then we can do it using the object.assign and spread operators. But the problem is that it will copy only the top level. If anything is nested, nested objects, nested arrays inside that object, then they again will share the reference. Meaning if you change some nested entities, attributes in the copied one, then it will affect the original one also. Let's suppose see in this example, okay, we have a object 1 and we copied object 1 to object 2 using object assign or spread operator. Okay, so when you change the nested object, the details and the attributes of the details is the city, so I change this one, okay, Los Angeles, then it will affect the original one. That meaning in original object also we will get the Los Angeles, okay, like this. So this is the swallow copy. To avoid this one, we will do the deep copy, which is that nested objects also will be copied, not say the reference exactly copied, so that when we change the second object it will not affect the original one. Okay, like this. We'll use the syntax called JSON parse and JSON stringify. What it will do, it first stringifies the object which is given and then it will parse. Okay, by using this one, if you change the second object and the attributes of the nested second object, it will not affect the first one. Okay, like this. Okay, we can use the same deep copy using the third-party package called Lodash, okay, in which we have a function called clone deep. By using this also we can do the deep copy. So when to use what? That is the question, right? So if you have a plain, top level object, top level attributes are there in your object, then you can go with this value copy. If you have a nested objects, please go with the deep copy. And this is all about the theory. Let's see practically. We will execute the code and see. Okay, first we will execute this value copy. Okay, as I explained, this is the same example here, so we will execute the code, okay, and check. If you see here, I was copied this one to object 1 to object 2. Okay, it is a swallow copy, so I change the nested object details and city. Okay, it's a nested object with the details, its attribute is city, to Los Angeles, so it will affected the original object also. That's why we got here the Los Angeles twice. Okay, but this name is at top level. Okay, name is at top level, that is name is equal to, I change the name in the second object as king, but in the first object it will not affect it because it is the top level. Okay, so that was we got alias and king. Okay, now come to the deep copy part. In a deep copy, okay, so it will copy the nested objects also. That's why I changed the attributes of the nested one, that is details, city to San Francisco now, but it will not affect the original one. Let's see how it would be. See, the original one is still Chicago and the new one will change. Okay, this is about the deep copy. We can do this using the lodas also. Okay, you can install the package called lodas using the command npm install lodas or npm I lodas. This command you can use, and then in this you have a function called clone deep. Using this one you can deeply clone this one. Okay, and again I tried here to change the attribute of the nested object, okay, coding to beginner. Okay, then execute the code. Let's see what will happen. See, it will not affect the original one. Original one is still advanced and the new one is the beginner. So this is about the swallow copy and deep copy. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you for listening.